What's up, YouTube? Today I'm outside. Today I got another challenge today. Today I'm gonna do 85 push-ups in a row / unbroken. Let's see if I can do it. 85 push-ups in a row / unbroken means I'm gonna do 85 push-ups without taking my hand off the ground and without taking my feet off the ground. So it's basically 85 in a row. Let's see if I can do it. In 3, 2, 1, 85.
Yo, time to get up and grind. Yeah, it's time to shine. Only 20 and I haven't even seen my prime. When I walk in the building, you know it's showtime. Talk to myself in the mirror, I said it's mine. I can live without you, queen.
25.
Yeah, that's fine. Even though you fine, you like to waste time, and I don't waste time.
Let's
Cause
go.
I'm on my grind. Life can be sour just like lime, but it's okay though. I'm eating fruits and veggies every day. I like
35.
potatoes. An angel on earth, creating blessings without a halo. A deity on earth, you know that's the son of Big Zo. Stand
40.
righteous, right? Stand balance. They say hard work always beats talent. Stand righteous, right? Stand balance. They say hard
46.
work always beats talent. Stand righteous, right? Stand
Go, let's
balance. They say hard work always beats talent.
52.
Always beats talent. Yeah. Always beats talent. Discipline is key. You know me. Call me son or Ricky. I'm a G cause I care for black
60.
families. Unity is one of our specialties. Unity.
25 more to
young
go.
Black deities. No more killing our young black deities.
66.
Unity is key for everlasting peace. Unity is key for
Let's go, let's
everlasting
eat.
peace.
66.
Everlasting peace. Everlasting peace.
72.
Yeah. Everlasting peace.
75.
Everlasting peace.
10 more to go. 10 more to go. 80. 5 more. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. That's how you do it.